Welcome back, listener, to another deep dive. Today, we're digging into something really important for how you feel every day, your thyroid gland.
Yeah, and specifically, how a simple blood test can tell you so much about your energy, your mood, your general well-being.
Exactly. We're using a great guide we found on the Blood Test UK website. It's called the Thyroid Blood Test in Cambridge. Essential guide.
A really helpful resource.
Our goal today, to unpack the benefits of these tests, especially, if you're listening in Cambridge, why knowing your thyroid health is just a big win for you.
Definitely. So let's maybe start with the basics. What is the thyroid?
Good idea. So it's this little gland, right, in your neck, shaped like a butterfly, I think.
That's right. Small, but mighty, you could say. It's like the body's energy manager. It makes these special hormones, T3 and T4 mainly.
Hormones that control what exactly? How you use energy.
Pretty much how fast your body works, your heart rate, digestion, even your brain function and how you feel emotionally. It's central to a lot.
Wow. Okay, so the blood test checks these hormone levels to see if the manager is doing its job properly.
Precisely. It looks at T3, T4, and often another hormone called TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. TSH actually comes from the pituitary gland in your brain and tells the thyroid what to do.
So TSH is like the instruction manual from the boss upstairs?
Kind of, yeah. If your TSH is high, it usually means your pituitary is yelling at your thyroid to work harder because it's underactive. That's hypothyroidism.
Feeling tired, maybe gaining weight, that kind of thing.
Exactly. And if TSH is low, it could mean your thyroid is overactive, churning out too much hormone hyperthyroidism. Think anxiety, weight loss, maybe feeling shaky.
Okay. And the big benefit here for you, the listener, is catching this stuff early.
Absolutely. It's like an early warning system, spotting these imbalances before they cause bigger issues like feeling constantly run down, unexplained weight changes, mood swings, even things like heart problems or bone issues down the line. It makes a huge difference to your daily life.
That really hits home. Okay, so for our listeners in Cambridge, how do they actually get this check? What are the options?
Well, you've got a few good routes in Cambridge. The most common starting point is probably your GP.
Right, the NHS route.
Yeah, your doctor can refer you for tests, often at places like Cambridge University Hospital's NHS Foundation Trust. If the doctor thinks it's needed, it's usually free.
Okay, standard NHS pathway. What else?
There are also local clinics, places like Cambridge Medical Center or the Practice at 24. They offer these tests too.
So more direct options maybe.
Could be. And there's something interesting about local testing in Cambridge.
Oh, what's that?
Well, some local health experts are quite tuned into, local factors, maybe specific dietary habits in the area or environmental things that can influence thyroid health. So getting tested locally might offer that extra bit of context.
That's a really neat insight. So local knowledge counts. What if someone wants results faster, maybe? Are there private options?
Yes, definitely. Places like Spire Cambridge Lee Hospital or Cambridge Private Health offer private testing.
And that usually means paying.
It does, yeah. You're looking at maybe 50 to 150 pounds roughly. But the upside is you often get the results quicker, which gives some people peace of mind.
Right, speed versus cost. Makes sense. So zooming out a bit, beyond just finding out if you have a condition, what are the bigger health benefits of keeping an eye on your thyroid?
It's really about staying ahead of the curve. Regular checks, if needed, act like that early warning system we mentioned, catching small drifts before they become big problems.
Preventing bigger health scares later on.
Exactly. And if you already know you have a thyroid condition, say you're on medication, then regular tests are crucial. They help your doctor make sure your treatment is working right, that the dose is correct, keeps your health stable and on track.
Fine-tuning the treatment.
Precisely. And ultimately, when your thyroid is happy and balanced, you feel better. More energy, less brain fog, maybe feeling less anxious or down. It just helps you live life more fully.
That really sums it up. Feeling your best, basically.
Yeah.
So wrapping this up, what's the main takeaway for you listening? Knowing about these tests, and especially the options right here in Cambridge, it gives you power, right?
It really does. Power to be proactive about your health. Stay informed, stay curious about your body, make sure that energy manager is working well for you.
It's all about taking charge.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And maybe here's a little something to think about.
Go on.
If understanding just this one small gland can be so revealing, what else might you discover about your own health just by asking the right questions and seeking answers?